I må gerne synge med. Og med den, tak for i aften, tak for vores hold, vores team, mit orkester, disse vidunderlige mennesker, som gør mig større end jeg er. Og jer forhåbentlig. Vincent. Starry, starry night, paint your palette blue and gray. Look out on a summer's day with eyes that know the darkness of my soul. Shadows on the hills, sketch the trees and the daffodils, catch the breeze and the winter chills in colors of a snowy linen land. And now I understand what you tried to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free. They did not listen, they did not know how. Perhaps they'll listen now.